Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infinity and today I'm back with another continental knitting stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to knit the double moss stitch. It is another variation to your typical moss stitch. It is reversible, it's stretchy, and I love the texture that is applied to this stitch. To me it has a little bit extra texture than the typical moss stitch, but it could just be my eyes. It is a very simple 4-row repeat consisting of knits and purls. So without further ado, I want to dive right into this tutorial. To begin, I want to cast on in multiples of 4 and then add an additional 2. So I'm going to cast on 18. 4 times 4 is 16, and then add an additional 2, 18. This stitch, I should also mention, is paired very well with stretchy bind-ons. So if you know of any stretchy type bind-ons, then feel free to use those. I'm just using a basic cast on for today. And 18. Alright. Now that I have my 18 stitches, I can go ahead and grab my other needle. What I want to do for this first row, we're going to start off with our repeat for the row, which is a knit 2, purl 2 until the last 2 stitches. If you are unfamiliar with how to get started on knitting, I do have beginner knitting tutorials back on my channel that you can check out. We're just going to knit the first 2, purl the second 2 stitches. Over and over again until we get to the last 2 stitches. Wow, getting ahead of myself. Alright, once we get to the last 2 stitches of our row, we are going to simply knit 2. And that is our first row. For row 2, we are going to bring our yarn forward because we will be starting off with a purl 2. And 2. Now we can start off the repeat, which is a knit 2, purl 2. So bring the yarn back to the back. Gonna make our knit stitches. Bring the yarn forward. I'm gonna purl 2. Gonna knit 2. Gonna purl 2. All the way across. And then purl 2 at the end of the row. And that is what row 2 looks like. For row 3, we're going to start with our repeat. So bring the yarn forward because we will be purling. The repeat is purl 2, knit 2 until you get to the last 2 stitches. Alright, and into these last 2 stitches we are going to purl 2. Alright, and that is the end of row 3. Now we are going to dive into row 4. For row 4, we're going to start with a knit 2. And then we're going to start our repeat of purl 2, knit 2 all the way across. If you continue to repeat rows 1 through 4 over and over again, you will eventually end up with a piece of fabric that looks like this. Like I said, it's a very versatile, stretchy fabric. It's great for blankets, scarves, and other garments. And it's fairly easy to get the hang of, so I hope you'll give it a try. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content from me. I typically post my continental knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. If you enjoy my knitting content, I recently launched a members club on my website where you can learn how to make all of my knitting and crochet projects with me. Membership includes the written pattern instructions along with images and a premium recorded tutorial. If you want to support this channel, then you can head over there and sign up today. I will leave the link to that in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time guys, happy making. This video is brought to you by my supporters on Ko-fi. Thank you so much. Your donations help drive the creativity behind all the content under Infinity Crafting Co.